For all of you who love to garden, now is your time to shine. Our next guest, Garden Like a Girl, came to be over 3 years ago when owner and co-founder of Garden Like a Girl, Mary Garlack, set forth to tend to her garden but experienced an all too familiar problem for most women: how to get your hands dirty while not ruining your hands in the process. Sound familiar? While any hardware store is filled with tons of gloves for gardening, Mary soon realized so few were designed with a woman in mind and the pride she takes in having well-manicured nails. I know how that feels. So after extensive market research and testing, working with hundreds of female gardeners, she produced some of the most versatile gardening gloves for a woman, and they're a total must-have for all the girls who love to garden. With us to tell us more of what makes Garden Like a Girl gloves so extraordinary is Mary herself. Hey Mary!
Garden Like a Girl came to be whenever I would work in the yard with my husband and I would start to get dirt and debris in my gloves. My fingernails would go through the ends of my gloves. I'm professional and I work with my hands a lot. I talk with my hands. And so my husband created a glove because he has a good, strong background in performance enhancing sports gloves. And he did a really great job with our gloves. They come in 2 different finger lengths, so we have a lot of unique features. We're also committed to using sustainable materials and processes, as well as giving back. We give 10% of our sales back to cancer research. My husband and I are both cancer survivors. So check us out, gardenlikeagirl.com, and thank you.
So for your gardening pleasure, check out Garden Like a Girl's signature WEEDIES women's gardening gloves. WEEDIES have a proprietary design and pattern for the perfect fit. They're durable, made of all natural goatskin leather, which not only feels luxurious, but they protect hands from thorns. WEEDIES wrap-over fingertip design is reinforced with Kevlar to protect both your nails and hands while eliminating the possibility of those dreaded holes. And they last and last for like all of your gardening needs. In addition, you'll be happy to know that the mesh and elastic fabrics in WEEDIES are made from recycled materials, so they are eco-friendly and protect the environment. The functional cancer ribbon design creates breathability and flexibility. And the padded palm area makes these the only pair of gardening gloves you will ever want to use. Also from the WEEDIES collection is Elements, Garden Like a Girl sustainable women's t-shirts. Hello, too cute! Made from recycled plastic bottles, organic cotton, and beech trees, these lightweight t-shirts fit with a longer body and are absolutely perfect for gardening so they won't ride up. I personally love that they are buttery soft and a shirt you can actually feel good about wearing. What I love even more about Garden Like a Girl is that proceeds from every sale goes to help cancer survivors. When you purchase from Garden Like a Girl, you're supporting a woman-owned company comprised of passionate, eco-friendly gardeners who truly support giving back and living sustainably. These strong, rugged, feminine women are cancer survivors and understand that gardening for most of us is therapeutic in nature. So tending to your garden should be kind to Mother Nature while being kind to your hands and bodies. So if you have a green thumb, don't rough up your hands and nails when you can garden instead in style and comfort. To get the last pair of gardening gloves you'll ever own, visit gardenlikeagirl.com or give them a call at 503-882-0616. Again, that's gardenlikeagirl.com. Let your flair for comfort and fashion take root. Pick up some of this awesome gardening gear today.